Without further ado, let's get into it. How do you fix your Samsung TV when it keeps turning off by itself? Before we list the solutions, please check the following. Make sure your TV is getting sufficient power. Try changing the wall outlet and see if it makes a difference. Inspect all the cables leading to the TV, they shouldn't be loose or dusty. Disconnect all the external devices, like Xbox or soundbar, see if the TV works better without them. Reset your router and internet connection, put fresh batteries into your remote, check for any pending TV updates. Some of the things from this checklist might have already helped. But if not, here are 3 more steps to follow. Number 1. Soft reset your TV. Simply turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in. This will most likely fix the issue, but if not, there are a few more things for you to try. Number 2. Turn off AnyNet Plus, Eco Solution, and Sleep Timer. All these settings should be turned off, especially the first one called AnyNet Plus. AnyNet Plus is Samsung's name for HDMI SEC. A faulty external device may inappropriately prompt your TV to turn itself off. Go to Settings. Select General. Select External Device Manager. Turn off AnyNet Plus. In order to turn off Eco Solution and Sleep Timer, you will need to navigate back to the section called General, and find them there under the corresponding names. Number 3. Factory reset your TV. If nothing has helped so far, let's go ahead and do the factory reset. This will erase all the stored data on your TV. Navigate to Settings, General. Select Reset. Enter your PIN to initiate the process. If you have never changed the default PIN, use 0000. To complete the reset, select OK. Your TV will restart automatically. If you have any other questions regarding this topic, we have a lot of useful resources in our blog. You can find the link to it under the video. Thank you so much for watching.